So the first thing I want to share with you is this book. And this book is an all-in-one prayer book. And it has the services for every day, the high holidays, the Passover, Haggadah is in here, the Psalms are in here, prayers for healing are in here, special women's meditations are in here. It's really quite comprehensive. It was published in Vienna in 1908. And one of the things that I found truly interesting about this was that all the births of my mother and her brothers, all my uncles of blessed memory, are all recorded here in Yiddish. And when I came upon the scene, there's also an inscription for me. I just found this whole thing to be quite a treasure to have survived this long and to tell a story. One of the things that I find interesting is that when you go to all the pages that are seriously stained, well, you're in the Passover Seder. You're in the Passover Seder section with all the wine spills. So clearly, it was used during its heyday.